What's up guys, this is TFT's channel. Today I'm hands on the Meizu 16XS. I really like this phone. Main reason is a notchless display is looking so amazing. Okay, let's look the phone overview. Phone bottom side, the Type-C port and speaker grills is the main 3.5mm headphone jack available. Do you like headphone jack? Don't forget to like and comment now. And let's look at the phone display. It's a 6.2 inches Full HD plus Samsung AMOLED display. Also, this phone supports the in-display fingerprint scanner. Phone backside, it's a triple camera setup here. Main camera is 14 megapixel, more Meizu logo and black color version I really like. Okay, let's look the phone overview. This phone specifications is the starting RAM 4GB RAM, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM available. Also storage is a 64GB, 128GB and 250GB storage available. And this phone processor is the Snapdragon 675 chipset processor is same Redmi Note 7 Pro processor. Also, this phone running on the Android 9 latest version, and coming up update is got the darkness mode. Let's look at the camera. Its main camera is a 48 megapixel, not Sony camera. It's a Samsung camera, and other one is the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And normal camera is a 14 megapixel and 5 megapixel is a depth sensor. Okay, this phone mostly compared to Redmi Note 7 Pro and the Samsung M50. Yes, Samsung M50, the triple camera setup is 5 megapixel ultra wide angle, but this device is the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. And which one you like, guys? Is just quick impression. Guys, it's a quick impression only, not deep. Coming up, I am upload the unboxing and deep review on this device. Which one you like? Samsung M30, Redmi Note 7 Pro, or Meizu 16XS. My opinion, I really like the specification, triple camera setup, and everything. It's good, not bad. Okay guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. And coming soon, I'm unboxing and gaming review and everything upload in tonight. Thanks for the watching.